Unleashing your full potential. Understanding, going 100%. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase that you might have heard quite often, going 100%. This phrase can be a little tricky for English language learners, but fear not, because by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a native speaker. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery of what it really means to go 100%. The phrase, going 100%, is an idiomatic expression in English. It's used to describe putting all of your effort into an activity or endeavor. When someone says they are going 100%, they're essentially saying they are giving it their all, not holding back, and are fully committed to the task at hand. It's helpful to understand where this phrase might have come from. While its exact origins are unclear, going 100% is often associated with giving a full effort as you might in a competitive sport or any scenario where performance is measured in percentages. 100%, in this context, represents completeness or the highest possible effort or quality. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. In sports, a coach might encourage players to go 100% during a game. At work, a manager could ask employees to give 100% on a new project. Personal goals, someone might tell their friends they are going 100% with their new diet or exercise routine. Remember, using this phrase implies a serious commitment and shouldn't be used lightly. Let's see how this phrase can be naturally incorporated into everyday English. I'm going 100% to finish this marathon, no matter how tough it gets. Our team is going 100% to meet the sales target this quarter. She's been going 100% at work to earn that promotion. A common mistake learners make is confusing it with giving 100% of something tangible, like money or objects. Remember, going 100% refers to effort and commitment, not a physical quantity. There are other phrases that convey a similar meaning: giving it my all, pulling out all the stops, leaving nothing on the table, putting my heart and soul into it. Using these can add variety to your speech or writing while expressing the same level of dedication. There you have it. You're now equipped to use the phrase, going 100%, confidently in your conversations. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you're ready to go 100% in practicing your English skills. Keep up the hard work, and remember, we're here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, take care and keep learning.